How to use Google Gemini. Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you exactly how to use Google Gemini. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. Before we start, I recommend checking out the link in the description box to create your account on Google Gemini. Google Bard, the AI chatbot from Google, has recently undergone its most significant update to date. It now features a brand new AI model called Gemini. Firstly, open your web browser and type bard.google.com. It is similar to AI like ChatGPT. Here, you can tell what's on your mind or pick a suggestion. In the Understand section, you will know how to debug Python code, how something works, and complex topics. In the Create section, you can check the packing list, text response, and interview questions. Last but not least, explore the section. From here, you can decide the best places to visit, plan care tips, and can see the sites. Your connections are processed by human reviewers to improve the technologies powering Bard. Don't enter anything you wouldn't want reviewed or used. In the left bar menu, there is a list of 7 countries, and you can use Bard on Google Sheets. Here's a list of 70 countries in alphabetical order. Click on Use Bard on Google Sheets. Google Bard is not yet available in Google Sheets. However, you can use Google Duet. It is a similar AI tool from Google that works directly in workspaces like Gmail, Docs, and Sheets. To use Google Duet in Google Sheets, follow these steps. Open the Google Sheets spreadsheet. Click on Help Me Organize. In the next box, type your query, then click Create button. To initiate a new chat with Bard, click on the New option, which brings you to the home page. Enter your prompt at the bottom. For example, type which AI model is used for Bard and tap Send. It will generate a brief answer within seconds. Initially, in March 2023, Bard was based on the LaMDA family of large language models, LLMs. LaMDA itself was announced in 2021 but was kept private due to concerns about potential bias and misuse. In May 2023, Bard transitioned to the Pathways language model, PaLM 2. PaLM 2 offered advantages like increased efficiency and better performance compared to LaMDA. This response was double-checked with Google search. At the top, there are different options like extension, help, and settings. Now type another question in a prompt. Which AI model is powering Bard? Bard generates a prompt asking you to come up with a product name for a new app and provides a role-playing scenario for additional context. As of today, Bard is powered by Gemini Pro. It offers significant improvements in factual accuracy. Gemini Pro can better identify and leverage reliable sources, leading to more accurate responses. The model's reasoning capabilities are enhanced, allowing it to draw more logical conclusions. In context understanding, Gemini Pro can better grasp the context of conversation. I hope this clarifies which AI model is currently powering Bard. Now let us try another prompt. Is this Gemini Pro or Gemini Ultra? Both models are currently in development, with Gemini Ultra still in private preview for a limited group of users. However, some clues might help you make an educated guess. Some clues like accessibility. If you are using Bard through Google Cloud's Vertex AI platform, you are likely interacting with Gemini Pro. In capabilities, if you notice that Bard can process and respond to image and video inputs in addition to text, this could be an indication that you are interacting with Gemini Pro. In its timing, if you started using Bard after 2023 of November, you are most likely interacting with Gemini Pro, as it was the model that Bard transitioned to around that time. Now let us ask, is Gemini Ultra free currently? Gemini Ultra is not publicly available and is only accessible to a limited group of users in a private preview. This means it is not freely available for anyone to use at this time. Here is what we know about potential access options for Gemini Ultra. It has free access for research and academic purposes. This might involve free access through specified programs. It has paid access for commercial users, businesses, and developers. The exact details on pricing and access options to Gemini Ultra are still under development. I hope this information clarifies the current availability and access options for Gemini Ultra. You can modify this response as well into shorter, longer, simpler, more casual, and more professional. You can give a good or bad response to the prompt as well. Now let us check the prompt that explains how large language models work in simpler terms. Now let us check a response in ChatGPT to explain how large language models work in simpler terms. Comparing Bard with ChatGPT in terms of research capabilities, both can provide information on large language models, but Bard's advantage lies in its seamless integration with Google Search, offering a broader scope of information. It will generate a response when you give a prompt or ask a question. The language model uses its training to generate a response. Let's go to Bard and check the generated answer, how it works in simpler terms. It will generate a response in other drafts as well, which you can select. Bard and ChatGPT both exhibit a promotional tone by default. To achieve a more neutral tone, provide prompts like write a factual and concise email about an upcoming sale event without using promotional language. This approach helps maintain a professional yet straightforward tone. In Bard, type gives me 3 sources and writes the same prompt in ChatGPT to make a comparison. Bard's ability to modify responses in one click is a standout feature. You can instantly adjust the complexity, formality, or casualness of the generated content. Bard's speed is notable, making the modification process swift and efficient. Let us try another question now. Write an email to my email subscribers to let them know about my end of the year sale. It will give you a unique and precise email. You can personalize this email further by segmenting your subscriber list and sending targeted offers. Now you can say that write a factual and concise email about an upcoming sales event, including details about the date, time, location, and special offers. It will generate the draft according to your requirements. Feel free to adjust the content and details based on your specific event and target audience. If you ask the same question to ChatGPT, you can make some changes to it as well. It says this email avoids promotional language. You can also find a YouTube video about making a chocolate chip cookie. Here are some YouTube videos making cookies that you might enjoy. One of Bard's exceptional capabilities is its integration with YouTube. By using the YouTube extension, Bard can search for videos, recap their content, and even extract information from visual content. This feature is invaluable for accessing YouTube content directly within Bard. You can ask the same to ChatGPT, but it will not give you a response like that with different YouTube links. It can't browse the internet or provide direct links to specific YouTube videos. You can also change the theme to the dark in Bard. It has options like respond once complete and your public links. The extension for Google Workspace allows Bard to access your Gmail account in Google Drive. You can ask Bard to analyze your emails, find urgent messages, or even retrieve the latest document from Google Docs. This integration streamlines information retrieval from your Google Workspace. The magic of Bard comes to your stuff. Additionally, Bard offers options to generate headlines and export content to a document. This feature enables you to easily share the outcomes of your interactions with Bard. I hope you find these tips helpful in maximizing your experience with Google Bard. If you are interested in trying Google Gemini, I recommend checking out the link in the description box. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.